Struggling with office syndrome, migraines, or stiff shoulders, these aren't just aches, they are blockages in your body's energy flow. Unlock relief with THAIKANYA Balm. Our premium formula creates a unique warming, cooling effect that immediately stimulates blood circulation and relaxes tight muscles. Rooted in Thai traditional medicine, it balances your wind element, Phat Tulim, to reduce pain, stiffness, and numbness, restoring your body's natural energy flow. For deeper issues, our CBD-enhanced option helps calm nerve pain and reduce inflammation without any psychoactive effects. Rich in nourishing botanical oils, it moisturizes and protects your skin without leaving a greasy residue. Perfect for self-care or after a massage. From athletes needing recovery to the elderly seeking joint relief, THAIKANYA is designed for your lifestyle. Massage gently 2 to 3 times daily or use before sleep for deep relaxation. THAIKANYA Balm, holistic balance for your body. Order now.